Hi, welcome back. I have a new bag to show you today. By looking at this, not sure you can tell where this bag came from. So I purchased this bag from Grommet's Leathercraft. I believe this is their Solvang tote bag, but this may look very different from what you would see on their website because I did some customization and changed things up a little bit. For example, on the website, you would see the handle is much longer and wider to the side a little bit, but I want it to look more like a kind of a top handle. I don't want to use it on my shoulder, so I asked him to shorten it and move the handles closer to the middle. And this bag is made from their green Bison leather. On the website, this bag was offered with other Horween's leather and probably is thicker as well. This green Bison leather is not as structured as other leather that you may find on this listing. That's why if I turn it around, you will see it puddle a little bit because this is kind of a soft leather and it's not as thick at the back. So let's go back to the front. This bag features a different type of closure. This hardware looks like something you would see on a crossbody strap. Surprisingly, it's really easy to use. You just open it up and that will clip it in place. And then this bag also has a front pocket. On the side, it has this strap that keeps this side close together. So you can unbutton this on both sides to expand the side of the bag. And I did ask them to add the D-ring for crossbody. So you do see this D-ring. So I can use any crossbody strap I want on this bag. And what's cool about this is when I don't use it, I can bend it down and then snap close. And then you don't really see the D-ring stick out that much. It's kind of a good way to hide the D-ring actually. Inside the bag is basically just a big open space. No compartment or pockets inside. But I believe if you want, you can ask them to add that as well. So this is the first time I purchased from Grommet's Leathercraft. I learned about this company from my Facebook group. This bag has this kind of outer stitching design so that it doesn't have a fit, but it does create a structural look for this tote. I want to bring this closer to show you the details. If you are familiar with KMM or Go-Forth goods, the grommet setting is different on this bag. The way they hammer this down is different from other company. So far I really love this leather. I really love this green leather. And I'm quite happy with this bag. I think if I purchase this bag again, I would ask him to make it in some really structured leather. Also, I like to mention that they have really great customer service because I did ask them to change quite a bit of stuff and they were really accommodating and really friendly in the communication. So I highly recommend this company if you see some bags on their website and you have some ideas to modify it, as long as in reasonable range, I'm sure they will accommodate you. I hope you liked today's video, a new bag from a different company, first time showing up on my channel. If you have any question, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you again next time. Bye!